Hey everyone! In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to insert headers in Google Slides step by step. First, open your presentation and go to the first slide. Then go to View and open the Theme Builder, sometimes called Edit Theme or Master. Click the Master slide if you want the header on every slide, or pick a specific layout if you only want it on certain slide types. Insert a text box near the top, type your header, something short like your title or company name, and style it with your font size and color. You can add a thin line or shape as a divider, and even insert a logo for branding. Group the logo and the text so they move together. Apply the header across the layouts you want, then close the theme builder. If you need a one-off header on a single slide, just insert a normal text box at the top of that slide. This overrides the theme header for that slide only. And that's it. That's how to insert headers in Google Slides for 2026. Simple, consistent, and it makes your slides look a lot more professional. Thanks for watching.